Hello everyone, Ivy Austin here. Today I will be showing you like a little farm tour. So let's get into it. So first we have like the dogs and the ducks and the turkeys and chickens in here. Leo, say hi. Leo. Lexi's somewhere in there, I think. She's probably Lexi! Oh, there she is. Yeah. Chickens, ducks, turkeys. Everybody's here. Except for a few other ducks. I don't actually know where they are because they kind of free roam. But next part. Okay, now we have like our boat thing. Sometimes we get in it and we just kind of go in the pond. It's actually really fun. Got paddles and everything. Okay. Now we got a mama hen and some chicks. Oh goodness. Can't see them, but they are in there. Okay, now what? Now we have these muscadines, which are like Louisiana grapes. And for people who don't know, I live in Louisiana, so yeah. And for those who don't know and are new here, I just got back from Europe. Maybe like a few weeks ago I was in Europe, so yeah. And here are our call ducks. They're basically ducks with dwarfism. So, again, if you're new here, you probably don't know, but I like Harry Potter a lot. Like, it's my favorite movie. The white one is Harry, and the other one is Fred and George, named after Harry Potter characters. If you watch Harry Potter, you know what I'm talking about. Now we have our, like, pool thing. We have floaties in there, a big pool. Yeah. Bugs everywhere, but yeah, that's our pool. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And my name is Ivy Austin. And please subscribe and like the video and share and comment. And thank you for watching.